everybody, welcome to another educational video about screen printing by CatSpit Productions. Today is a very short, quick tips video because this is a question that I get asked so often that I figured it would be easier to explain this to you in a short video, even though I don't have something to demonstrate this. But the question is, if I use water-based inks and the ink dries in the screen, like say one of these screens up here were water-based ink, okay, and say you left it up in the press, right? And with water-based ink, it's going to dry in the mesh, right? It's going to dry and become, well, possibly permanent. So is there anything that can be done to save a screen after water-based ink, or even any type of air-dry ink, really, but more specifically with us is, textile water-based ink? When it dries in the screen, is there any way to remove that? All right, so the deal is that if you leave your water-based ink up in the screen and the ink dries in the mesh and it's stuck in there and you can't get it out with a solvent or paint thinner or anything like that, well, unfortunately the screen could be ruined. All right, it may be done. All right, definitely your stencil is probably lost, because the only way that I know how to try to recover a screen that has dried water-based ink in it is to use a little bit of haze remover and a pressure washer. Okay, so we would take the screen. Of course, you probably wouldn't have that much dried ink on there. That's Plastisol ink. I don't know if you can see that. Plastisol ink, we can leave the ink on forever and it never dries until it's heat cured. But with water-based inks, if you leave a screen out like that, especially the thinner areas are going to dry very quickly. And if it's in the mesh and the stencil area, it's going to clog it and ruin it so you can't print. So clean off as much ink as you can physically, take it over to your washout booth, spray or apply haze remover, let it soak in a little bit, and then use your pressure washer at the highest pressure possible and attempt to strip the screen. And emulsion remover at that point may or may not be a benefit. It's really going to be the haze remover and the pressure washer doing all the work there. All right, so that's the only tip I have. If you have any kind of dried ink in the mesh, then the only way to really recover that screen is to try to strip the whole stencil off and use haze remover to soften everything up, because haze remover is pretty aggressive and caustic, right? And then pressure washer to force it out of the mesh. And that's about it. If that doesn't work, then the screen is very likely ruined. All right, so that's all I have for you today. It's really hot right now in Phoenix, Arizona. We've been having some mad heat, like 110. Today it's supposed to be like 114, and we've had monsoon season, so it's very humid, and the swamp cooler sort of works. But I'm trying to keep these videos short right now, doing a couple of quick tips videos for you. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your time and attention. And of course, make sure to check out CatSpitScreenPrintSupply.com if you need equipment or supplies. And subscribe to the YouTube channel, of course. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.